guys doing well? This is Johnny Pujari. I'm a self-taught web developer and a mentor in Newton School, and I welcome you all to this video where we're gonna learn about visibility and Z-index. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it right away, because if you don't, you're gonna miss a lot of amazing video on web development, and I surely don't want you to miss that. So let's get started with this video. So my friends, we have this basic HTML boilerplate ready with us. Now let us see why exactly visibility is important first of all. Now what happens, sometimes situation comes like you want to show a particular element only when a condition is satisfied, right? So you tick like sometimes you have to tick on a website like show this element. When you tick there, then only that particular element appears, otherwise it is hidden. You don't know where it is, but you know that whenever you will tick it, then only it will appear. So how this thing happen, how these things are conditioned, styled, all those things is done with the help of visibility and display property. And how this thing works, let us see right now. So let us first make 5 boxes in HTML, and I will have here div and with the class name box and ID as box 1 2 3 4 5 as per the boxes. Now if I said one of the boxes, suppose box 3, I said that visibility should be hidden. Now as you can see on the output, what just happened, our element got disappeared, right? We cannot see our box 3. Where did it go? We don't know. Our website or our HTML page just hided one of the element, but you will clearly notice that it has left some space, right? Even though the element is not visible, we can still see the space that the element has left. But what if you don't want that the element should leave some space? At such situation, what kind of property will you use? Yes, we have solution for that as well. We have display property, where if you will set display as none, you will see that the element is also gone, and at the same time the space occupied for the element is also gone. So this is how visibility and display work. And if you are wondering what kind of code editor I am using right now, then it's Newton School's code editor. And the best thing about this code editor is that it is very much useful for beginners. Why is that so? Because not only you can write code over here, you can also learn programming and solve practical questions just for free. Don't you think that is cool? And also what this Newton School is, again, I have seen people who ask always that what is Newton School, what do they teach, where do they teach? So let me tell you about Newton School. Newton School is an online learning platform where you can learn full stack development courses and get your dream job. And the best thing about this is you don't have to pay any fees until you get placed in best companies. So check out the link in the description to skyrocket your coding career. So what exactly this Z-index is? Z-index is very much simple, and I'm gonna explain you that in a very small example. Suppose you want one element to put over another element, right? So there are 2 elements. So which element should come first? This element or this element? Which element? And how we will decide that? In the CSS code, it is being decided inside Z-index. So whichever element have more Z-index, that element will stack up first, and the element having lower Z-index will stack up below that. So this is why Z-index is being used in CSS. But one more thing, see, I'll show you how to do that. Here if I use Z-index, and especially for the Z-index, we have no value over here, value unit over here, you have to just write the number. And if I write for this and this, nothing happened. Now you will say, Janvi, you just now told that one element will stack over another element or all of this thing will happen. It's not happening. Why? Because one of the crucial thing we have missed over here, and I guess I have spoken about it in the last video as well, that is positions. Yes, my friends, position is still important here. Like I have spoken about position so many times, and I have told you that without positions you can't do this, you can't do that. Yes, without position you cannot use z index. Using z index, defining your positions is extremely important. Without positions you cannot work with z index. So let us keep its position as relative, and now let us give it some top. Now you will see that which element has higher z index will stack over the element having lower z index. So this is how z index works. So my friends, this much for today. Hope you guys like this video, and also let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. And if you haven't accessed my playlist, I am suggesting you that please do that right away, because I don't want you to miss the previous video as well as the future videos coming up in this playlist. So if you are a beginner, I am so sure and I can guarantee you that you can make your foundation strong using this playlist. So without fail, please access the playlist and subscribe to our channel, Students Coding Community, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a great evening.